Here's a common challenge I encounter on the internet. If God doesn't exist, how come the Earth and solar system are so perfectly set up for life? Well, this would be a difficult question to answer if our solar system was the only one in the entire universe, but it's not. It's one solar system out of a trillion, septillion, 10 with 24 zeros afterwards, a lot. And that's just the observable universe, let alone the bits we can't see. So, here's why we exist happily on our cosy, but often volcanic and deadly planet. Currently, we don't know how unlikely it is for life to evolve to this stage on any given planet, but we can make estimates. First of all, we need a planet that's a good distance away from its sun, in the habitable zone, and also around the same size as the Earth. These are called Earth-like planets. With current estimates, around 2% of stars have Earth-like planets orbiting them. This would mean that there are around 1,000,000 trillion Earth-like planets in the observable universe alone. Now, we have to estimate how likely it is that life develops on an Earth-like planet. Let's suppose that it's very rare, and that the chance of intelligent life developing on any given Earth-like planet is about 1 in a trillion. What we're saying here is that if there were a trillion Earths, on only one of them would intelligent life develop. Pretty bleak odds, but even with these bleak odds, it doesn't mean our existence is miraculous. Here's an analogy. Based on our estimates, the chances of us evolving is equivalent to rolling about 15 six-sided dice and getting a 6 on every die. Well, if we only had one roll of the dice, we'd have to say that it is an absolute miracle that we exist. But the reality is that because there are so many Earth-like planets out there, we actually get to roll the dice 1,000,000 trillion times. It seems pretty plausible that you can roll 15 sixes at least one time with 1,000,000 trillion rolls. In fact, if only 1 in a trillion Earth-like planets develop intelligent life, then we still expect a staggering 1,000,000 planets in the observable universe to host intelligent life. So, the Earth and solar system aren't designed for life. There are loads of suitable planets out there. We just happen to find ourselves on this one.